Hey, what's going on? Today we're going to look at HIMS. This is a really sweet setup. I think this thing is ready to move. So we're looking at a weekly chart right now. Let's get into this and shift this over to a daily chart and get in a little deeper on this. All right, you can see here we're butting up against resistance. It's already started to move a bit. Now I think we got to wait for this to pull back a little bit. We've got a little bit of an RSI divergence here, and that worries me a little bit. So we got to be patient on this one, but let's take a deeper look here. What do we got going on? Well, since this thing IPO'd, you can see it went sideways for quite a while. There's your stage 1 accumulation. And here's your stage 2 markup. This is where all retail is buying, stocks getting more expensive, and then we start to roll over. There's our stage 3 distribution. And then we get into our stage 4 decline. Okay, and we came down and we eventually put in this low. Look at this low though. There's your capitulation. Look at that. Nice volume coming into this. This is people giving up. This is all the weak hands gone out of this thing. Beautiful. Now we started to move up, we got back into our base, and look at this basing pattern, this beautiful stage 1 accumulation going on in here, and we're making higher lows, and we're even trying to make some higher highs. Now, like I said, we're coming into some resistance. Let me get rid of that thing right there. Coming into some resistance. We've had a really nice move in the last week and a half. We got that RSI divergence. I think we need to see a little pullback here. This is not a good setup for me to get into right now, but it's getting really close. Here's what I want to see happen. Let's say we move up a little bit more out of here. Maybe we move up into this $8 level. Maybe we go a little bit farther than that. And then we roll over. We come back down and we retest the top of the base. And as we start moving up out of here, that's where I want to buy. I want to be buying right here. That's the spot. So, will I get what I want? Well, not always. But I don't want to chase it here. I'm going to wait for this. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for this to pull back, and then I'm going to get in. Because I think this makes a big move. I think this can easily double from here. And I think we do go fairly quickly and test these all-time highs. Of course, none of this is investment advice. You trade at your own risk.